Hello guys, great to see you again. Welcome to TWOGEEZ Limited, and today I'll be taking you through the offset printing process. In this process, we'll be using the colopro offset ink. This ink comes in three types: the colopro Star, the colopro Moon, and the premium version called the colopro Galaxy. They all come in different colors: green, royal blue, red, black, yellow, cyan, and magenta. All of these are available in our store, and you can also order online, which we deliver countrywide. So today I'll be showing you how great the colopro Star works on a variety of papers. It prints on papers such as bank papers for receipts and exams, art papers for magazines and programs, ivory board for cards, chipboard for covers, and bond papers for publications. With that said, let's get the printing started, and I'll be joined by one of our printing technicians who will start with the bond paper. So guys, we are done with the printing. Here are the printouts for cyan. They look great, as you can see. And also the black ones. That's it for today guys. And remember, for any of your offset printing needs, make sure to get the colopro offset printing ink. Bye!